In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a lightning record page in Salesforce. This process is critical for tailoring your Salesforce interface to better suit your organization's needs. Not only is it practical, but it's also quite straightforward once you get the hang of it. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the upper right corner of your Salesforce interface. There you'll spot a gear icon that provides access to various settings. Click on this gear icon and select the option labeled Advanced Setup. This is your gateway to a wealth of customization features that Salesforce offers. Next, you'll want to focus on finding the Object Manager. Use the search bar within the Advanced Setup to locate it quickly. Object Manager is a pivotal tool allowing you to manage various objects within Salesforce, whether it's accounts, contacts, or another type of data object. Once you have the Object Manager open, choose the specific object that you'd like to create a lightning record page for. It could be something like an account or a contact, whatever suits your current requirement. Now that you're in the view for your chosen object, glance over to the left-hand panel. There you'll see an option for lightning record pages. Click on it and then select New to initiate the process of creating a fresh page. During this setup, you'll be asked to choose the record page as your page type. Follow through by clicking Next, which propels you to the next stage of creation. Here, it's time to give your page a label, a name that will help you identify it later, and don't forget to reaffirm your selected object. Afterward, you'll click Next again to proceed. The subsequent step involves selecting a page layout template. Templates like header and two columns can help structure your page in an organized and visually appealing way. Once you've made your decision, click on Finish. Now, the fun begins with the Lightning App Builder. This dynamic tool utilizes a drag and drop methodology, allowing you to customize your page with various components to match your specific needs easily. Feel free to incorporate a variety of elements like tabs, related lists, record details, report charts, or even custom components, tailoring the page to serve as a comprehensive tool for your users. When you're satisfied with the layout, it's time to save your work by clicking Save. But before you celebrate, remember to click Activate. This step is crucial as it lets you assign the page as either org default, app default, or specific to app, record type, and profile. Finally, you need to select which form factors you want your default page to be available for. This could be just for desktops, phones, or both, depending on how your users access Salesforce. After making these decisions, click Save again to finalize everything. And there you have it, you've now created a customized lightning record page in Salesforce, perfectly tailored to meet your organizational needs.